You were supposed to make a video for IJK97. No, why haven't you? Because I haven't. And how'd you get in here anyway? Just make a video. Hey, I'm Jake. And I'm gonna be kicking off the randomest summer ever. So guys, I am sorry I haven't been around the past few weeks, you know. I've just been, anyways, I'm back to give you guys a video since I said I would in my last little update thingamajig that I put up on JK97. And that was basically what am I doing? That's basically what I'm doing here today. Woo! So I was hanging out with Kira this past week, so I got a little bit of footage there of us just being kind of crazy. We got basically nothing accomplished. I think every day I didn't get up till like noon, which is not normal for me because I usually get up somewhere from 10:30 to 11, and if you're saying that's early, well, I don't sleep all that much, I'm sorry. So you probably haven't heard from Kira in like forever. I'm not gonna hear from her and even longer because she's going to this religious retreat thing this week and she's not gonna be able to make a video. So other than that, here are the few little random clips from hanging with Kira. We were hoping to do a video while I was over at her house, but we never got around to it because like I said, we were lazy. Here are the random clips from hanging out with Kira. Hope you guys enjoy. So now I am at Wacky Girl 14's house. Shh, don't ask how I got here. I might have stolen a plane, but whatever. Anyways, and now I have a Nerf gun. And I'm gonna go scare her, or at least attempt to. Let's hope this goes well. If it doesn't, then I don't know. We're just gonna go with it. That was good.
This is what happens when you fight in the house.
Settle down.
She's trying to
You trying to cover my nipples too!
Violence.
It's okay, everyone. No, enough.
Settle down.
Such a nice guy.
Jacob, can you point names and say fingers?
Yeah,
My arm's awkward and it comes down.
Okay.
It's like... I thought you said you'd wait for me! Wait for me!
Thank you for coming and being supportive of us. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. If you want to keep updated to whenever we decide to post videos, which could be tomorrow if I really wanted to, subscribe and little notify thing. That's very cool. And I'll talk to you guys later.